Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change an image size in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and to start this tutorial, first you need to log in to your Squarespace account. Then click on this website button below your desired website. Go to Pages to locate the page where you want to resize your image. Let's work on this About page, for example. Now click on this Edit button to go into the editing mode. And let's resize this image, for example. Simply click on this little white square and drag it just like that. You can resize it from the top, from the corner. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And also from every corner, plus these sites. Don't forget to save your work at the end, and to preview your resized image, click on exit and go to this preview mode. And this is how to resize an image in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.